you know how an industrial electronic lock with electromechanical interlocking enhances security? Industrial cabinet locking systems are rapidly evolving toward digital intelligence. Yeeka has introduced an innovative electronic lock featuring an integrated MEIL function. When the electronic lock is being electrified or getting valid electronic control, the mechanical key cannot open the lock illegally. During the outage or electronic control failure of electronic lock, the mechanical key can be used as an emergency method to open the lock. More than just a lock, the 1518 series brings comprehensive functional advantages. Traceable operation records enhance cloud-based equipment management. Multiple access options eliminate complex key administration. Visual status indication. IP65 protection level, fearless against heavy rain, dust, and the toughest conditions. Yeeka 1518 Series Electronic Lock, empowering intelligent operation and maintenance for energy storage, power distribution, and outdoor control cabinets.